we'll see.
The Nationals were on Sports Illustrated as the team to go to the World to win it all this year.
Really, we'll see.
Let's go Nats! Let's go Nats! Let's go Nats! Yay!
All right, how about this one? What's in here? What's that? What is this? Ooh, my first touch and feel pets. What's
Oh,
that?
cool.
Feel the fuzzy bunny. Feel the fuzzy bunny? Oh, feel that? That's cool, right? What else is in here? We have to open it. Hop, I'm very fluffy and soft, and I hop, hop, hop. Look at the doggy! Is that like Lucy and Marty? Yes. Who else? Who else? Who else is in here? A feathery and colorful parrot. Is there a kitty in here? Ooh, an iguana. That's scary. There's the kitty! Look, meow, meow! That's right.
Yeah.
That's right, a meow, meow. Ow, my finger. I think there's something else. What's in here? Oh, are you kidding? Yankee apparel?
Yes.
Is
Yes.
that allowed in our
I
house?
can't help it. That's from Grandma.
That's
from
cute.
Grandma.
That is adorable.
That really is.
I got the hanger. There's
That
a
is
receipt
adorable.
there, but I better never see him with the
What size is it?
22 one.
Perfect.
That's great.
Yankees
Say thank you.
Whoa!
And I have those other, you know,
That's adorable. Thank you.
whatever the receipts are.
Perfect.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Give Grandma a hug.
Love you, baby.
Give Grandma a hug. Say thank you for
Thank you.
everything.
He's like, I love the tissue paper.
He does.
You
Here,
put
here's
on the floor. The
Here's
floor's
a
been
fresh
washed.
one.
Floor's been washed.
John must have loved this.
Well, he doesn't know that.
My dad's gonna be like,
I know that. I know. I thought about it. Too bad.
this is great. Thank you.
Too bad. I'm a
Thank
Yankee
you,
fan.
Grandma.
I'm Grandma up here.
Thank you, Grandma.
Yeah, have fun with the paper.
That's really all you need to buy him. Go to the dollar store.
What are you doing? What is that?
Wow! That's a nice sweatshirt.
Yeah,
It's a good quality one.
that's a TJ Maxx.